Ever thought about your future boyfriend or girlfriend? I'm sure you have. We all think about that future someone all the time. Okay, fine, not all the time. Sometimes, that अनदेखी अनजाना तुम होते तो ऐसा होता तुम ये कहती etc etc. Now when you think about that future someone, certain standards you've set for them come to your mind. And I'm not talking about the physical or the monetary standards here, neither am I including the facial appearance of that person. I mean, we would all like to date someone who looks like Rahul Khanna or Deepika Padukone, but I'm talking about the values, the nature of that person. Values like patience, generosity, positivity, calmness. You would want to know how ambitious, hardworking, inspiring that person is, whether they're religious or not, etc. etc. Now, the qualities that I just mentioned were basic, and we kind of expect all human beings to have those qualities, but we're not talking about all human beings here. We're talking about your future bae. That future is someone who might just change you forever. That's someone who gives you hope. Now, the future someone also thinks about their future someone that is you. Yes. So now I'm going to put you in a situation. You can pause this video after listening to this situation, okay? Imagine you're in a quarrel with your friends or family. How do you react when you're in that situation? Think about it. Do you think that's how you would want your future someone, your boyfriend or girlfriend, to react? If your answer is no, well, you need to make changes in yourself. You need to change things about yourself. It's very easy to expect things, but it's very difficult to fulfill them. The basic point of the question that I'm trying to raise here is, do you think you can date yourself? Do you think you can fulfill your own expectations? Do you think you can be the person that you're looking for? I know imperfections are beautiful, flaws are nice, and opposites attract, but imperfections and flaws that you know you have, imperfections and flaws that you wouldn't want others to have, and things that you know you can change about yourself, well, they're not beautiful. And a person who does nothing to change those imperfections, well, that person is not considered a person of high value. And who wouldn't want to be a person of high value? So while you're looking for the right person, be the right person. Jot down all the points that you think you would want that person to have. Now, see if you have those qualities. If you don't, then start making changes, While you're looking for the right person, be the right person. In that process, that person might or might not come, Your future someone will come whenever he or she has to. But be prepared for them. Be a good person, that when they meet you while they're dating you or they are married to you, they feel, what did I do to have this person in my life? This person is just so good, So be the kind of person that you're looking for. Switch up things where you have to. For my today's video, and before I end this, I'm going to say a very YouTuberish thing because I forgot to say it in my first two videos and I felt so incomplete, and that is, make sure that you like this video if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you liked the video and you would want to see more videos. Make sure you press the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Comment down below. Make sure you share this video with your friends, especially the ones you think need some changes in them. And make sure that you follow me on all my social media, and the links will be in the description box below. I also have a blog, so make sure you subscribe to that as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!